Hey there, spiritual seekers. I want to share a vision I had in the dead of night. Imagine standing high above the earth, floating in mid-air. Beside me, Jesus stood, serene and powerful. I was playing with these incredible blue sparks of fire, resonating straight from my chest. I turned to Jesus, marveling at the spectacle, and said, "This is cool, Lord. What is this?" But Jesus remained silent, looking down upon the earth. Below us was a gaping, massive hole in the earth's surface. It was like nothing I'd ever seen before. Then together we looked up into the vast expanse of outer space, and there, descending from the heavens, were two magnificent dragons. These dragons were colossal, their presence awe-inspiring. They came down and rested their feet on the earth, each on opposite sides of this massive hole, and then they began to blow fire. It was like watching cosmic blacksmiths welding the earth shut. The fire from their mouths was intense, purposeful, almost like a sacred ritual. But it didn't stop there. Their mouths transformed into enormous shovels, like the front-end loaders you see on construction sites. They scooped up these steel metal balls that had formed from their welding work and carried them over to where I stood. They poured these balls out at my feet. In that moment, Jesus finally spoke. His voice was calm yet filled with urgency. There is a hole in the earth. If it is not repaired, it will be destroyed. The message was clear, profound, and filled with a sense of cosmic importance. It felt like a divine call to action, a reminder of the delicate balance of our world and the unseen forces at play. So, what does this vision mean for us, spiritual seekers? Perhaps it's a call to be vigilant, to recognize the holes, literal and metaphorical, in our lives and our world, and to take action before it's too late. Let this vision inspire you to look deeper, to be a part of the healing process, whether it's through prayer, meditation, or tangible actions in your community. Thanks for listening to my vision. Stay tuned for more spiritual insights, and remember to keep your hearts and minds open to the divine messages that surround us every day. Take care, and may peace be with you.